Hi, today I'm going to be unboxing the Fitbit Sense. I have never had an Apple Watch or anything of that sort. My husband got it for me for Christmas, so this is my very first time ever opening something like this. So, here we go. I have no idea what I'm getting myself into. Fun little tag. Box. Apple has a tendency to make everything look so nice. Look at that. So pretty and professional looking. Okay. Look at that. How clean and pretty that looks. Oh, how fancy. This is a perfect present for any spouse. I don't know how to open any of this. Extra band just in case you break something. Nice quality. No, I have no idea what this is. Oh, is that an extra lens? Charger. This is a charger. There we go. Look at that, it's a little robot. This. So, see, even dummies can open this stuff. Oh, look at that. That is so fancy. Just boop. Whoa, hello. Just snaps right on there. Boop. That's pretty fun. And there you go. Instructions. Look at that, doesn't that look like a little robot? How pretty. Look at that. Now I'm gonna attempt to put it on. Without the charger. I don't know which way it goes on, but here we go. Oh, that is so smooth and comfortable. That fits extremely nice. Thank you, husband of mine. Don't mind the baby in the background. All right, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you.